Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you about basic factoring in free algebra. Maybe ilalagay ko rin to sa algebra ladies if nagsisimula pa lang tayo. So let's have an example agad. So 14x. So paano natin siya ipa-factor or simplified furthermore? So 14 is 7 times 2 times x. So pag combine natin lahat ng yan, it will equals to 14x, which is right. So we have, let's say we have 9y squared. Ang 9y squared, we can just break it down to 3 times 3 times y and y. Kasi we all know that y squared is just multiply by itself 2 times. Yung parang David squared will be just multiply David by David. So let's say we have 8x y squared. So we will just have 4 times 2 times x times y times y. So, yung 4, pwede natin i-2 times 2 times 2 ulit yan. So, pag minultiply mo lang yung 2 times 2, magiging 4. Plus 4 times 2 is 8. So, ito yung factored form ng 8xy squared. So, kailangan masanay tayo dito, guys. Now, let's think for another examples. What if we have 28a squared? What is this? 28a squared and b. So we can just simplify this. 7 times 4 is 28. Tapos 8 times 8 times b. And yung 7 hindi natin pwede simplify because it's an odd number. Yung 4 pwede. 2 times 2 times 2 times a times a times b. So that's the answer for this one. That is the simplified form or factored form ng 28a squared times b. So, paano pag negative 12 x cubed y raised to the fourth? Yung 12, we can just say we have 4 times 3. And then, we're just going to simplify the x 3 times and y 4 times. So, we will get that. And then yung 2, we can just make this 2 and 2. So, lagyan lang natin ng negative dyan mamaya. So we're just going to copy on the top thing. Y, okay. Y, and Y. So, ang daming Y. So, 4 yun. 4 na Y yan. And that's the factored form. So, now let's get more examples. Let's make some harder examples. Oh no. Let's talk about GCF. What the hell is GCF? GCF means greatest common factor. So, yun yung pinaka-common factor ng dalawang terms. Ng dalawang algebraic expression. So, let's say we have 8 and 12. So, what is its greatest common factor? Yung 8, we can just simplify it sa 4 times 2. And we can multiply it by 4 times 3. So, yung 4, yung greatest common factor nila. Yung pinaka-greatest na factor. So, that's the answer for this 8 and 12. So, what if we have 12 and 18? We can just simplify this by 6 times 3. 6 times 2. And 6 times 3. So, as you can see, 6 ang kanyang greatest common factor. Yun yung pinaka-common factor nila. We cannot say 4. We can say 4, but it's not the greatest. Maybe it's the middle. So, yan yung greatest common factor. Yan yung hinihingi kapag meron tayong mga expressions. So, what if we have 27, 36, 45? So, what is the common factor? So, first of all, what we're going to do is simplify it. So, we got 9 times 3 dito sa 27, 9 times 4 sa 36, and 9 times 5 sa kabila. So, as you can see, 9 yung ating greatest common factor. So, 9. Now, let's go to our example. Let's make this use of. So, dito, let's take an example of an expression. So, 5xy, comma 10x squared and y. As you can see, 5 yung ipa-factor out natin. So, what we're going to do is make this a quantity. And then, lagay ako ng addition sa gitna. So, what we're going to do is factor this out. So, we got 5, ang greatest common factor, and x. and y. Yan yung mga greatest common factor. Hiwalay natin. Divide lang natin sa 5xy. So, 1 siya plus 5x. So, that's it. Kapag ginamit yung distributive property, you can just get the same answer. So, let's take another example. What if we have 6y plus, 6y plus 9y squared. So, ang greatest common factor niya is 3. And we have y also. And then, ang gagawin lang natin is divide yung 6y sa 3y. So, 3 ang sagot. 9y squared divided by 3y, ay y raised to the third. Y, what the fuck? 3y. Okay. And then, 3y ang sagot natin. So, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something. And goodbye.